got a feeling we had something.
It's so pretty.
Could have seen it in your eyes.
I'm looking forward to
Took a second, but I made you. Waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try. Hey you.
Hi guys. So today is Friday. Like I said, I was supposed to go get my YouTube pin from the post office, but before I woke up like around 12, and before I could finish dressing and even checked the map told me that they open by 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Can you imagine? So I had to just come to GIG to come and pick up my Big Up and Oma perfume. You guys, I'm so excited for this perfume because I know what's up with the other two, Seduction and Passion. I love them so much, so I decided to get the newly launched one. So let's go pick it up, baby. Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. So you guys, it's so noisy right now because the window is open. Yeah, I got my package and I can't wait to unbox it. Yeah, I can't wait. And I want to do like a mini reels video unboxing. Yeah, I want to do that. I hope it's cute. Anyways, so you guys, that's the update. Hi guys, so I just opened my Big Up by Oma perfume and this is how the package looks. It's so pretty, like, you know, you guys, this scent smells so sweet. Like, it's so sweet and mature. Like, it's this sweet and mature scent. It's not all those regular sweet scents that you're going to perceive and then you'll be like, it gives you that secondary school body spray that smells so sweet. No, this one has like a matureness to it, and I actually love it. I love the packaging. Like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I love the gold details. Like, yeah, and the scent, the notes, the key notes on in this perfume are amber, cedarwood, musk, vanilla, jasmine, saffron, pineapple, and bergamot. Yeah, so I love this perfume, and this perfume actually reminds me of this perfume that I have. This is another sweet perfume that I have in my collection, and the moment I perceived this one, I was trying to remember which perfume this was reminding me of. I just thought about it and I just remember that this perfume, like this one, is another sweet, very sweet perfume, and it's very, very affordable. And oh my god, I love this perfume. You guys, bye, see you on my next vlog. Okay, peace. Or I don't know, another clip, because I don't know which of the vlogs this clip is going to be going into. But anyways, yeah, I got my perfume and I love it. I just found or figured out a store where you can buy, like, you know, varieties of skincare stuff. I'm gonna let you guys know the name very soon. Like, both skincare, I'm coming. Both skincare, like, you know, all the stuff that you see online and then pay for delivery. It's all here, guys. Fenty, NARS, foundation, all of them. You guys, it's all here. All the things I've been looking for, where to buy, they legit have it. You guys don't mind this stuff. I was testing out foundation. I've been looking for where to buy this. I've been looking forward to buy this. Including this snail. I know this is everywhere online. Yeah. Like, I'm so glad. I'll plug you guys, don't worry. Yay. Hi guys, so I just got back home. Let's do a mini haul. A mini makeup and skincare haul. I got some new things, you guys. I'm so excited. See, shopping makes me happy. Spending money makes me happy. So you guys should pray so that the money will be coming, you know. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is I bought a new hair. I bought this for ponytail. Yeah. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys body care and makeup and skincare. That's just it. Now the first thing is this. If you are in Abuja, you will know that it's not easy to find this around in all these supermarkets. I have gone to B4U. Is it B4U or B4U supermarket? I've gone to H-Midis. I've gone to ShopRite. I have looked for this. I've looked for this shop. In Lagos, I'm sure you can get it in Lagos easily. I feel like this light is too bright on my face. I don't know. You guys, I changed my settings, so this thing is looking somehow in my eyes right now. Anyways, if you're in Abuja, you know that this is very, very hard to get, not so easy. And if you are going to, you might end up seeing this particular brand, this Arms and Hammer brand, but you will not see this one that is aluminium free, aluminium and parabens free. You will not see it. And I read a review on this one. It says that this one does not leave a white cast when you use this shop. The Dr. Teal's one I use usually leave like a white, this white substance in your armpits, and it doesn't look nice, but it's not that bad anyways. So if you don't mind it, get it. It's actually good. Yeah, and it's not going to take away the sweat. That's something you should have that at the back of your mind. Dr. Teal's will not make you not sweat. Okay, yeah. So I decided to get this, and I'm going to be trying it out. Yeah, this ultra sunscreen spray. I use the cream, and yeah, I decided to stock this one because I've been looking for it. I looked for it in ShopRite. I looked for it in places that I felt that all these med store, they didn't have it. So I saw it. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna plug you guys to where you can get all types of skincare. You see all those popular skincare you're seeing online, blah 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 blah. You're gonna see it in this shop. Trust me. You see, I didn't have a vitamin C in my stash, and I decided to get this one. Yeah, this one is quite popular, so you probably know it. And I also restocked my favorite Flawless IV hydrating mist. I love this hydrating mist. Like I got the Younger Beauty concealer and powder, and I'm so excited to try this out. You guys, I still have concealer, I still have powder, but I've been thinking of buying this, so I decided to get this. Yeah, this was 6,000 naira, I think. Yeah, and this was 4,500. Yeah. Okay, the last thing I got Fenty Beauty foundation. Oh my gosh, guys, I got the Fenty Beauty foundation and I cannot wait to try it, because actually the one I wanted to get initially was was NARS, but they didn't have my shade for NARS, so I decided to get this one. It's Fenty Beauty foundation. Yeah, so you guys, that's the end of the haul. See you later.
Wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait.
You guys, the burger I just ate right now was burnt. Like the beef was like legit burnt. It was not even funny. Yeah.
On a new adventure. On a new adventure. Time, watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. Adventure.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think?
I love your body, make you feel like
play the game, but I'm falling